We'll guide you through how to integrate Slack with Trello so you can streamline your workflow and keep your team in sync. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Trello website. Log into your Trello account if you're not already signed in. Once you're in, navigate to the board you want to integrate with Slack. On the board, look for the Power-Ups button at the top of the page and click on it. In the Power-Ups menu, type Slack in the search bar to find the Slack Power-Up. Click on the Add button next to the Slack Power-Up to enable it for your board. After adding, you might need to authorize Trello to connect with your Slack workspace. Follow the prompts to log into Slack and grant the necessary permissions. Once authorized, you can go back to Trello and click on the Slack Power-Up settings to customize your integration. You can set up actions like sending updates to specific Slack channels when cards are moved or when due dates are approaching. You can also use / commands in Slack to create Trello cards or get card details directly from your channels. This integration allows you to receive notifications in Slack, so you don't miss important updates on your Trello boards. Whenever a change occurs, your team will be instantly notified in the channels you specify. This setup can significantly boost your team's productivity by keeping everything centralized. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.